I've been in Wisconsin for about 4 days now, and I'm already on the road towards St. Louis, Missouri this time, just for the weekend for the United Yo-Yo competition. I got this zit on my chin. It won't like pop, but it won't not pop. So it's just there and red and ugly. So sorry you have to look at that, but I'm gonna make you look at it. You can see the Pharaoh knives. St. Louis, Missouri. We're here. This thing's freaking huge. I didn't realize how amazing this was gonna be. This is like one of the coolest freaking buildings I've ever seen in my life. Voice crack and all. Big arch. Not gonna lie, I thought this thing was like all hype, but this thing's kind of crazy. And I guess you can go inside of it, which is insane. I kind of want to, but probably costs too much money for me to just already see it from the outside. Yeah, I've seen it. So the arch has a museum. That's where we are now. Seems sick.
This shit gotta be over by now. For any queen, the picture you painted.
They're gonna see you.
Right back at you.
Oh,
Dude, this is great.
The humidity in this city is awful. Do you have anything to say about the humidity?
It hurts. It's the most humid place I think I've been in. I don't
It's
know how
worse
to
than
I'm
like
sticky.
it feels like the rainforest here.
Yeah, I'm literally sticky.
And we're in Missouri.
This is strange.
It's not good. It's not good at all.
But you know what is good? Rising Canes.
Rising Cane. This is where the yo-yo contest is. That's so sick.
That's cool. That's cool.
Who are you? Who are you? What the? I love you. Oh. Well, got results. I got 5th place out of 15. It's so hard putting so much time into something and then like doing what you think is good and then just placing so poorly. And I am so sick of it. And I am just pretty fed up right now. It's just hard. This whole being a professional yo-yoer thing is not easy. It takes a mental toll and it takes away your time. And it's just a lot. It's a lot to deal with. I'm just not feeling great about it right now. And yeah, I got another contest next weekend. Midwest Regionals at the Mall of America. And see what I can do in the next week to make sure that that one goes better than this, I guess. Besides only placing 5th at the contest, it was still a lot of fun. Got to see a whole bunch of people I haven't seen in years, which was super exciting. Got to see a lot of really cool talent and performances. Also got to judge a lot of talents and performances, which is super, super cool. It's always an amazing opportunity to judge yo-yo contests. And yeah, it was a good time for sure, but when the thing you came here for, which is to compete, doesn't go well, it like sours everything else. And it's brutal because like I had a fun trip, but because of a performance, because of 2 minutes of yo-yoing, the trip just gets sour and it sucks. But what are you gonna do about it, you know? I don't know. Okay, I just got a text message from one of my buddies, Adrian, that I got 4th actually. Some dude just like told me I got 5th, and I believed him because he was the guy who was doing the scoring. And so I was angry, but I guess I got 4th, which isn't bad, honestly. Like, I'll take it, but why did that guy tell me I got 5th when he was literally doing the scoring? Makes no sense! Big arch, big arch.